This webinar will be covering Aspect's customer support search functions. Let us begin. Customer support can retrieve the real-time job status and estimated completion dates, down to the minute. While searching work orders is covered in a separate lesson, this lesson will focus mainly on searching within the schedule and pulling reports. Firstly, we open the schedule window, then the magnifying glass, to find job. The search window will appear, showing the following fields. ID. This is the Aspect job number, not the work order brought in from our ERP. Work Center. This is a drop-down list of all machines. We can use this to narrow down the search. Material. In Aspect, material is anything produced. Not to be confused with raw material, and will display across all scheduled and unscheduled jobs when searched. You can also open the material search window to find specific materials. Status. Either we leave this blank, or we have a few status selections to choose. Scheduled, unscheduled and running being the default. Carton ID. We will ignore for this lesson. Work order. This is the work order from our ERP system. This will be used in this exercise. Tool. We will ignore for this lesson. In work order, if we enter 2, 3, 2, 8, 3, and select Find Now, the results will show in the bottom screen, here. We will see a lot of information straight away here, like status, being scheduled, expected start, and completion date and time. If we double-click on the line, it will take us to the scheduled job. In this instance it is going to be late, based on the red square in the corner. For the schedule color legend, select the cog at the top for view options, then select Show Legend. The Aspect Scheduling Layout and Functions webinar goes into more details on the legend and meanings. If the work order was turned into a job, via the work request function, but not scheduled, it will show in unscheduled jobs, like 2, 3, 2, 7, 3. In the event the work order does not show up in the schedule, we will need to contact the schedulers to advise further. We can also right-click on the scheduled job and select Job Summary. This opens the Job Update window and has a host of information. For more on the Job Update screen, see the Aspect Job Update webinar. A useful report is the Late Orders Report. At the top menu bar, select Reports, then Late Order and Print Preview. We have the option to select a period or shifts. We can also see the entire site or specific areas. Lastly, we can choose material or class of material. If we set the year back 1 year, we will see all order raised since then that are going to be late. We can use this to ensure we are proactive in getting back to clients on expected late deliveries. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.